kakain. Medyo sketchy yung ano niya, pero ayan siya.
Pero vibe lang.
Ha?
Pero vibe lang.
Pero okay lang, vibe lang.
Oh, wow.
Very cute. Okay, so ito yung how much it is. Adults $7 and kids $5. If you have your own skates, it's for free. You can just go and skate right away. You don't have to pay.
Sarado pala sila 5:30 to 6.
Yeah. So right now
Kaka-6
is
lang.
6. So they're gonna open pretty soon. There you go. There are people skating now, and we're gonna go rent our skates. So we can rent lang kami ng locker, so we can put all of our clothes and our shoes. It's only 25 cents. So luckily we had 25 cents. There we go. We're gonna get our skates and we're gonna get skate. Kat doesn't know how to skate. And she actually didn't want to go skating because she doesn't know how. But
Natatakot ako eh. Baka ano yung pa ako.
we're gonna be okay.
Oh no, that's okay. You still got it.
Sikat hindi marunong. Tapos ako, ewan ko, ang sakit. Sakit ng paa ko. Kaya hindi ka makaskate.
Hindi ako nakaka-forward.
Uy! Tingnan mo ginagawa niya. Naglalakad lang siya. Wow. Nagganon ako kanina pero hindi nila nakita. ice cream din dito.
Ice cream.
We're gonna go into here. Jewelry, home decor, bath and body, candles, art and prints, ceramics, wellness, clothing. Wow. Cute. This is so cute. And this one too.
Mahal naman.
It's so cute.
Pampatay na ilaw.
Ayan, sikat, sumakit yung kanyang paa doon sa skating. Akin, masakit na talaga nung paglagay ko ng skates. Ay, mag-washroom muna kami, tapos kami ay magsisibas na pabalik. Diba? So, pauwi na kami ngayon. Ang sakit ng paa ko.
Tsaka lumalamig na din kaya bili kami ng hot drinks.
Yeah. Tapos pag uwi, mag-aano na lang, mag-edit, tapos papakainin sila Angeria.
Di namin alam, pero tingin ko, busog ka na ba? Medyo nabusog ako, very light.
Oo, may leftovers pa naman kami sa bahay in case na magutom mamaya pag uwi. May pizza pa kami doon, tapos may soup pa from yesterday.
Yeah.
Kaya, set pa kami. Tignan nyo. Diba? So nice. So, mom and dad and ate Grace and ate Pia, kasi pupunta sila lahat dito in the next 2 months.
Yeah, April and May, magkahiwalay.
So, nag-iipon na kami ng mga places na pwede nilang pasyalan na bago. Kasi, every year kaming nandito since maliit pa ako. Kaya, parang same yung mga pinupuntahan namin every year.
And yung North Van pa ata yung hindi talaga masyado nilang napuntahan.
Yeah, kasi magko-cross ka pa ng bridge, tapos mahirap, traffic. But, siguro, this time, we can take them here because it's really nice at night.
Yeah, maganda yung view dito.
Saan ba tayo? Sige, train na muna kami pa uwi.
Ito ni Avery.
Look, ganda no? Parang
Bask style.
maganda siya. May mga nagbabask dito. May mga nag-sing-sing, ganun. Tapos, ayan. Yan. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't see really clearly. But that's Canada Place in Vancouver, waterfront. And then that's the entire vicinity is like from here to here. That's downtown. These ones, that's Gastown. And then this is downtown. And then here is Stanley Park. So it's very visible and there's so much light, which is really nice if you like adventures at night. This is really nice. Sa North Van. And yung pala, yung may mga locks din siya. Oh, wow. Feeling Paris. Cute. Ito siya. Para siyang hospital. Guys, napagod si Kat. Nasa na kami. Sa Sibas.